notable advancement in the realm of AI is the creation of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model which has the ability to generate human-like text, which makes it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications. It can provide answers to our questions, it can provide information, and even offer some creative ideas. Now, let me give you some data that Sir Nageshwaram uploaded on economic survey that capital investment and digital transformation are going to add 0.5 to 0.8% in the India's GDP by the fiscal year 24. Now let me tell you why my opponents and other people are so much worried about this technology, because it has the ability to do the task that currently humans are doing. But it is only a small part of change that AI is going to bring. Actually, AI is taking away the most difficult, demeaning, repetitive and risky jobs. Now let me tell you that AI is likely to transform the jobs rather than replace them entirely. Yes, transformation. It means that AI is going to create jobs in the fields which were never known. We have never thought of them. As Sir John Chamber has said, 65% of the kids that are presently in school will end up with jobs that do not exist today. Let me give you some example of jobs that AI is going to build, like prompt engineering, AI ethics specialist, AI cybersecurity, data detectives, programmers, robotic engineers, and there are so many jobs that AI is going to create. According to a recent report by World Economic Forum, AI is expected to replace 85 million jobs worldwide till the year 2025. In the same data, they have said that AI will create 97 million jobs in the same time frame. So we can see a net of 12 million jobs till the next year only. Now let me conclude my speech by saying that AI has the capability to boost Indian economy by providing opportunity for growth and innovation. Now let me end this speech by saying a quote by Sir Amit Rai that the coming era of AI will not be the era of war. It will be the era of deep compassion, love and non-violence. Thank you. Have a nice day.